I am Magnus Müller Rischart, a master baker and pastry chef in the 5th generation. Our beginnings date back to the year 1883, always rooted in the heart of Munich, and after over 40 years in Buttermilcherstrasse in the glass bakery of my father. This year we have taken the step to move here to Theresienhöhe with a new building. We had special challenges here with the inner city property as a special permit is needed for deliveries here, and it is a tightly scheduled timeline that must be adhered to. During the entire construction phase, which was very complex for us due to the architecture, MIWE was truly an outstanding partner. We overcame many problems together and found many special solutions. It worked excellently, and they are one of the few manufacturers who really deliver on what they promised in the sales process. Currently, we have 20 branches in the Munich city area. At Marienplatz is our main store. We have been there since 1932, and it is so popular that 1.2 million visitors come to us there annually. The highest quality is very important to us. After all, it's called Rischart Munich Delight. That is a promise we make to our customers. For this reason, we deliver from this location here at Theresienhöhe up to 6 times to our branches. This allows us to bake for several hours throughout the day. The best seller for us is the spelt bread, which we prepare over 3 days. And the absolute top item here in Munich is, of course, the pretzel, and currently the plum daci. So the refrigeration technology from MIWE plays a very big role for us, especially with the pretzels, since we have an automatic proofing chamber from MIWE. Automatic proofing chamber means we proof the pretzels for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, the rack moves a little further each time. Then comes a stabilization room from MIWE. Then we put the whole thing into a shock freezer from MIWE, and afterwards it goes into the storage freezer where we store it for tomorrow. We have 16 roll-in rack ovens from MIWE. They are particularly advantageous because we can bake 18 trays at once. They bake extremely evenly. This is especially beneficial for us during the Oktoberfest season. We produce a lot of pretzels here, large pretzels, and we need speed, velocity, we have to be fast, and that's why MIWE is optimal for us. Quality is very important for our customers. Therefore, we rely on selected recipes and resources from the region, especially the process chain from cooling to fermenting to baking. The reliability that the house MIWE offers is very important to us so that we can provide the necessary daily freshness and the usual crispness. The MIWE technology facilitates our processes in the way that all ovens are networked with each other. Individual programs do not have to be entered separately into each oven, but can be transferred to all ovens via the PC. All surfaces are almost identical, meaning the surfaces of the rack ovens, deck ovens, as well as the surfaces of the cooling systems. And our employees do not have to constantly operate something new. Instead, they are already familiar with the interface and can navigate and operate it themselves. We have 3 Eco-Novas in use. We have a special building here. We have production, a store, administration, a total of 100 apartments for employees as company housing, and a hotel with 84 rooms. And we managed to heat the entire building independently of district heating. I would immediately recommend MIWE again. No matter who you call at night, whether it's a technician or a master baker, you always get help. Just great. We would choose the house MIWE again because from the beginning, from the consultation through planning and implementation, everything went very well, and we can enjoy the technology every day.